For those of you who missed getting out of this stock market at the bull market high, February 19th, 2025, this is your gift from the stock market gods. Personally, I don't think we are this high again in the stock market for quite a while. I've shared with you for about a week and a half now that I thought the S&P 500, SPX, could come up to this 5,660 point level. We came within 1 point of that level today. How about that for accuracy? Who is paying attention? I think very quickly here, the stock market can begin to come down. My target high, as I've already shared, 5660. I think the next target low on the S&P 500 is 5,100. That is not my bear market low. That is merely my next target low. We don't go down in a straight line from here. We're going to probably chop down, but that is my low. As of the close today, I have not entered any new short positions, but I very likely could enter new short positions tomorrow. If and when I do, of course, I will let my members know exactly how I'm trading it. Gold was down today and has been down for kind of several days now. And personally, I don't think it means that gold prices have topped out. I personally just think it means that a lot of mom and pop investors kind of now think, everything's okay. The bear market never existed. The bear market's over. John doesn't know what he's talking about, right? Choose which of those three that you want to use. And mom and pop investors are very confident right now and calm. So I think they have been selling out of gold. I personally think tomorrow or Monday, when the stock market really starts to come down again, that gold can pop up again. Again, as soon as I make a gold trade, I will let my members know. For those of you who still think we're in a strong economy, God help you, recession probably started in January. But thank you to the Kabasi letter for this chart and information. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index dropped 19.5 points in April to negative 35.8. That is the lowest since the 2020 COVID pandemic. You think that's good? New orders fell 19.9 points to negative 20, the lowest since November 2022, the last time we were in a bear market, and we're in a bear market now. Companies' outlook fell 17.6 points to negative 28.3, the lowest since May of 2020, again, pretty much the beginning of COVID. Over the last 20 years, such low readings have only been seen during 2008 and 2020. That's not good news. Yet another sign of a manufacturing sector recession. Be careful. Today being May 1st, you're hearing a lot all over again about sell in May and go away. I do this every year. Sell in May and go away is a lie. The S&P 500 returns since 1980 have been 1.76% higher, so fractionally higher. Those S&P 500 returns, again, between May and the end of September, between 1946 and 1979, only fractionally lower, almost literally zero. So there is no big down stock market traditionally between May and the end of September. Now, this does not apply during a bear market and a slowing economy, which we are in right now. Be very careful. I'm merely sharing with you the fact that sell in May and go away is a lie. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.